Lesson check, moon phases and eclipses, quiz. Hint, white on the right equals waxing. White on the left equals waning. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. You will now select your cycle number. Number 1. The different shapes of the moon you see are called penumbras, umbras, or phases. Number 2. Because the moon rotates once for each revolution around Earth, you see some phases more than others. You never see the far side of the moon from Earth, or the far side of the moon is visible only during the full moon phase. Number 3. The moon doesn't give off its own light. Instead, the moon blanks the sun's light, reflects, absorbs, or transmits. Number 4. It takes the moon about blank days to cycle through all the phases: 27.5, 28.5, or 29.5. Number 5. True or false? The phase of the moon we see depends on how much of the sunlit side of the moon faces Earth. True or false? Number 6. During what phase of the moon is the moon between Earth and the sun? Look at the picture for a hint. New moon, waxing crescent, or full moon? Identify the phases of the moon shown. Number 7. It's lit on the right. Is that a new moon, waxing crescent, or a waning gibbous? Number 8. The moon is fully lit. Is that a new moon, a waning gibbous, or a full moon? Number 9. The moon is lit on the left. Is that a new moon, a waxing crescent, or a waning gibbous? Number 10. The moon is lit on the right half side. Is that a first quarter moon, a new moon, or a third quarter moon? Number 11. A partial or total blocking of one object in space by another object is called an comet, eclipse, or revolution. Number 12. A blank eclipse occurs when the moon passes directly between Earth and the sun. Is that penumbra, solar, or lunar? Number 13. A blank eclipse occurs during a full moon when Earth is directly between the moon and the sun. Is that a lunar, umbra, or solar? Number 14. During an eclipse, the area of the shadow where the sun is only partially blocked is the penumbra, phase, or the umbra. And number 15, true or false? There is an eclipse every month. True or false?